The concept design looks great. Jordan found and reused what we've done before and quickly mocked up what we'll need to detail out. We also have a really good idea what we'll need off the shelf. Looks like he's wrapping up a few basic drawing views. I can see JP is in progress with the block diagram, and he's even created an initial electrical BOM with cost information. With these assets in hand, I can create a budget estimate with higher certainty. As I craft our RFP pitch, I want to convey that we know what we're doing. A report from SOLIDWORKS Manage gives a real-time output of our project schedule and status by stage. I can illustrate exactly the tasks we've outlined and our resources available for each of them. I have also created an initial risk analysis as requested. Of course, I can pull up any of our mechanical structure or component design through PDM. All the project CAD assets are at my fingertips, and that allows me to present vividly, here's what we're thinking, and be ready to answer any questions. To really impress them, I have brought along high-impact visuals from Mike. These should impress way better than the usual just stack of drawings. Good news! We won the job! I can't wait to share with the team. Now, between you and me, I didn't exactly build in much margin to the project budget. Luckily, ABCO had an opportunity for us. They said if we could shave 1 week off the schedule, there'd be a significant bonus. So, of course, I told him no problem. So, we had scoped in a week of testing. I'm gonna reduce that and put extra priority and time on the validation tasks. And while Andrew's doing that, maybe he can suggest opportunities to reduce cost. No matter what, this really has to work right the first time. If I can parallelize these phases more, can move up electrical. I really have to reduce risk in the fabrication phase. No mistakes or delays, or the budget and schedule is blown. Checking our team capacity, looks like Brad has some time. I'm gonna make him some new tasks to interface with each vendor and do what it takes to fast-track their production. This makes me feel better to have a no-nonsense senior engineer like Brad involved. When we go on site, we need to reduce risks further. For this, some crystal clear assembly and startup instructions will be key. I know Mike will be on top of that, so I'm gonna add his task to my risk mitigation plan. Finally, ABCO was super impressed with the visual renderings we presented, so I'm assigning Mike a stretch goal of creating a full-length promotional video that could really help us solidify this customer into a longer-term business partner. We'll have to see how fast Mike can work, but I think he's gonna like the challenge. With an even more aggressive plan, it's great to have Manage as the backbone to keep everyone connected and on track. We'll have to work smarter and more connected than ever.